Hello, everybody. This is Mrs. Williams, and this is my very first video recording that I'm making. And I hope everybody's doing really well. I hope you've had a good spring break. I know this is a really weird time, and we're all learning new things, trying to learn from home. So I hope we all figure it out. I want to introduce you to some people real quick. Some people. They're not really people. Come here, Maisie Moo. I'm going to introduce you to my dogs because you're probably going to hear them and see them in the background a lot. All right, hold on. First we have Sophie. Let me see if I can get Maisie. Maisie, come here. And this is Maisie. And all she wants is to lie down in the bed with me and have me rub her belly all day, every day. And I did that a lot over spring break. And now she thinks that that's what I do all day, every day when I'm home. So she's really confused right now. She gets really excited when she sees me coming in here. This is the spare bedroom. And she thinks I'm going to lie down in the bed with her and just rub and rub and rub. Like that's the only thing that I want to do. But that's not the only thing I want to do. I have work to do. Here, I'll show you something really cute about Maisie. Not only is she just so cute, she has really funny ears. So we'll see if she can pop them out for you. Maisie. She's not cooperating. Maisie! Oh, what a stinker. I'll have to get a little squeaky toy later and see if she'll pop her ears out because they're really big. They stick out and she looks like a bat. I don't think she thinks I'm very funny right now. Oh, well. Well, I just wanted to say hi, and I am going to record some video lessons and put them in Google Classroom. I'll be sending those links out, and hopefully everybody can access them. If you need anything, mom and dad can email me. If you know how to email, you can email me. Send me a message in Google Classroom. And I hope that I get to see all of your faces very soon because it's going to be lonely without all my kiddos. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.